Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect new Relic to AWS Lambda, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Lambda service in the AWS dashboard. Select the Lambda function you want to monitor with new Relic. In the function configuration page, scroll down to the environment variables section. Click on Edit to modify the environment variables. Add a new key named new_relic_account_ID. For the value, enter your new Relic account ID, which you can find in your new Relic account settings. Next, add another key named new_relic_insert_key. Enter the insert key from your new Relic account. This key is also located in your new Relic account settings, usually under API keys. Now, scroll to the basic settings section. Increase the timeout limit of your Lambda function if necessary, as new Relic monitoring may require additional time for data processing. Next, scroll down to the execution role section. Click on the role name to open IAM management for this role. Once in IAM, click on Add Inline Policy. Choose JSON to add a custom policy. Insert the policy that permits network access to new Relic's endpoints. Review and create the policy by giving it a meaningful name. Return to the Lambda function page. Select the Layers option in the Designer section. Click on Add a Layer. In the Provide a Layer version ARN section, input the layer ARN for the new Relic Lambda layer. You can find this ARN in the new Relic documentation specific to AWS Lambda integration. After adding the layer, click Save to apply the changes to your Lambda function. To finalize setup, you may need to update your function code. Import the new Relic Lambda library at the beginning of your function code. Wrap your existing handler code within the new Relic handler function. This step helps capture monitoring data during function execution. Once your code is updated, deploy the changes. Test your Lambda function to ensure it runs as expected. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.